In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the homepage on eBay, especially if you're a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident finding your way around the platform and discovering all the essential features that eBay offers. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Head to the eBay website and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, then click Submit. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up by selecting the Register option and following the simple instructions. Logging in ensures that eBay can personalize your homepage with your saved preferences, recent searches, and recommendations based on past activities. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the search bar located prominently at the top of the homepage. This tool is your gateway to finding specific items on eBay. Simply type in the name of the item you're looking for and hit Enter or click on the search icon. You'll be presented with a list of available listings related to your search. To refine your search, consider using filters that appear on the results page, allowing you to sort by price, seller location, or even condition of the item, helping you zero in on the perfect product with ease. Next, let's shift our focus to the left-hand side of the homepage, where you'll find a list of categories. This section is incredibly useful if you're in the mood to browse or aren't looking for anything in particular. Categories range from electronics and fashion to home and garden, and beyond. Clicking on any category will take you to a dedicated section filled with items related to that theme, complete with subcategories for more refined exploration. As you continue to scroll through the homepage, keep an eye out for the Deals and Recommendations section. eBay frequently updates its homepage to feature special offers and curated lists, ensuring that you have access to some of the best bargains and must-see products. This part of the homepage is particularly valuable if you're looking for inspiration or want to take advantage of limited-time discounts. Personalized recommendations based on your search history might also appear here, offering suggestions that align perfectly with your interests. Getting familiar with navigating eBay's homepage will help you make the most of your shopping experience. Whether you're searching for something specific, browsing product categories for inspiration, or hunting for deals, the eBay homepage has got you covered. Remember to take your time exploring these features, and soon enough, you'll be browsing eBay like a pro. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy bidding or buying.